Good morning, dear students. Such a lovely Friday. Whoever is doing Varalakshmi Devi Vratam today, have a good one. And I'm going to introduce today, dear students, how the single entry system is done in partnership accounts. Till now, you have done the single entry system. There you have found out the profit and loss, where the whole profit and loss was being taken by one person, one entrepreneur, or one businessman. Here, the single entry system in partnership account, the whole procedure is going to be the same. The same capital at the end, you will be taking the same drawings, you will be adding additional capital, you will be deducting, again you will be deducting the capital at the end, and you arrive at profit and loss. But here in partnership accounts, what it will be done is, the profit or loss, whatever the company is getting, company is bearing, both the partners will share it among themselves. There will be a sharing ratio. In case if it is not there, both the partners should get this profit or loss, which is calculated during that accounting year equally among themselves. So that is about partnership accounts, dear students. I'm going to show you the format now, and please see to it that you get the thorough yourself with this format. It's going to be the same till profit or loss, which is calculated. You go till there, and after that, like in our previous class, I have taught you how to calculate the adjustments and deduct it. So in case if there are any adjustments, you'll be deducting that, and also in case if there are any appropriations, if salary is to be paid to the partners as per the partnership deeds, if there are any agreements done between the partners, that is to be paid to them, like interest on capital, the capital amount which they have invested in the organization. If there is a provision of paying them the interest on it, that will be deducted. And also the interest on drawings, the drawings amount whichever partners are taking, for that the interest which they are paying to the organization, in case if that is given in the question, it will be added to the profit or loss. So that is how after all that we'll arrive to the proper the main profit and loss made by the organization during that year. So for now, have a look at the format. This is our format, dear students. Have a look. Statement of profit and loss for the period ended, and here we have kept two columns. One is for internal calculations, and we'll put the final amount in the outer column. Combined capital at the end of the period. Combined capital of whom? Of the partners. Then add combined drawings, whatever drawings both of them they have done during that year, that will be added. So in the previous format, what you have learnt, all the information it pertained to one person, but here in partnership we don't know the number of partners. So each and every person, obviously they'll put some capital, they'll put some investment into the organization, that by the end of the year how much it is, that will be taken. Then the drawings which is done by all the partners will be added. Then in case if any additional capital is bought by the partners, that will be deducted, and then we'll deduct the capital at the beginning of the period. Here we'll get profit or loss before the adjustments. Once we deduct the adjustments could be depreciation, it could be provision for bad debt, and then we'll get the net profit for the period. After we get this, any appropriations are there, we'll deduct that, and also if the partners have to pay interest on drawings, that will be added, and finally we'll get the profit which is divisible. So this divisible profit, how actually it is shown, we'll see in illustration 10 and 11. Have a look at illustration number 10. We have Suresh and Ramesh. So we have two partners here, Suresh and Ramesh, who are equal partners. Means whatever profit or loss they'll be getting, they'll be sharing it equally. In a business in which the books of accounts are kept under single entry system, their combined capitals, so both of them together, if we add their capitals, at the beginning it was 1,25,000. Then, and the combined capital at the end of the year of both the partners is 1,75,000. During the year, they have withdrawn 50,000 equally. Means both of them together they have drawn how much? 50,000 for their personal use, and they introduced means this is additional capital. How much did they bring the fresh capital? 37,500. Now what are we asked in this question? Compute the profit for the year by preparing a statement of profit or loss. So here statement showing profit or loss. Combined capitals at the end of the year, as per the question we are given 1,75,000. Drawings we are given 50,000, that is added, we get 2,25,000. Additional capital deducted, we get 1,87,500, that is the adjusted combined closing capital. Then less the combined capital at the beginning of the year. How much did they start with? 1,25,000. So here is a profit of 62,000. So this profit is also combined profit of both the partners, Suresh and Ramesh. How are they sharing? Equally. Means this 62,500 they should divide in such a way that both should get equal amount. So what we'll do is divide it into half. You will get an amount of 31,250. So have a look. Suresh share of profit 62,500 into half, 31,250. Likewise Ramesh share of profit 62,500 into half, 31,250. The whole procedure is same, children. Only thing is that you will have to add combined drawings, combined additional capital, combined capital, okay, and then you will show the profit as divisible profit, and after that you will show how that profit is shared among the partners. Okay, so that is illustration number 9. The next is illustration number 11. X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Earlier illustration you have seen both the partners were sharing equally, but here whatever profit or loss we'll get, 3/5 of the profit will go to X and 2/5 of the profit or loss will go to Y, who keep their books on single entry system on 1st April 2013. Their capital accounts show a balance of 60,000 and 70,000 respectively. It means the opening capital is given. Capital at the beginning was given to us. How much? X is 60,000, Y is 70,000. Means combined if we take 60 plus 70 we get 1,30,000. Here when you are doing single entry system, dear students, you have to remember that whatever information you will be taking pertaining to the partners, it's going to be combined together. Next, have a look what happened during the year. They have withdrawn 2,000 and 3,000. 2,000 is withdrawn by X and Y has taken how much from the company? 3,000. So if we combine this amount together, what is the total drawings? 5,000 for their personal use. Find out the capitals at the end of the year. We are not given capital at the end of the year. Through preparation of statement of affairs, we will find out what was the capital at the end. Now calculate the divisible profit for the year ending 31st March 2014. So we are asked to find out the profit which is to be divided among X and Y in the ratio of 3:2 for the year ending 31st March 2014. So here we will be preparing two statements. One is statement of affair, the other one is statement of profit or loss. Here in the question itself we are given all the information to find out capital at the end. Stock in trade, debtors, furniture, cash. First four items they are assets, so we'll put it on the asset side. Sundry creditors is a liability, so we'll put it on the liability side. After we deduct sundry creditors from all this, whatever the balancing figure is coming, that is the capital at the end. But does this capital only belong to one? It belongs to both of them, so you'll write as combined capital. Have a look. Statement of affairs as on 31st March 2014. Then asset side we have sundry debtors, closing stock, cash, furniture. Total has come to 3 lakhs. Sundry creditors 1,10,000 minus 3 lakhs, we get 1,90,000. So this is the combined capital. Within brackets you will mention balancing figure. Now this combined capital is at the end of the year. Okay. So now have a look at the statement of profit and loss, how we will make. So we will write combined capital at the end of the year. end of the year. We are given the date 31st March 2014. How much did we get? Just now we have done the calculations through statement of affairs, 1,90,000. After that, what do we generally do? We add drawings to it, combined drawings. How much? 2,000 plus 3,000, that is going to be 5,000. When we add both these amounts, we will get 1,95,000. From this, we are supposed to deduct additional capital if given any, but because we don't have, this is going to be our adjusted capital at the end. Okay. From this, we will deduct the combined capital at the beginning, which is already given in the question, an amount of 60 plus 70,000, that is 1,30,000. So combined capital at the beginning of the year, that is 1st of April 2013. Also show the amounts, 60,000 which is brought by X and 70,000 which is brought by Y. So we have a total of 1,30,000 which is to be deducted from 1,95,000. Here we arrive at our profit or loss. It is a profit which is made by the company, 65,000. This is called as the divisible profit for the year 2013 to 2014. Okay. Now, after we got the profit, we need to show the share also, like X's share of profit. We'll divide this 65,000 to X and Y. Y's share of profit. Okay. How much is X share? 65,000 into 3:2 is given, children. I don't have to teach you ratios. So X's share is 2/5 and Y's, X's is 3/5 and Y's is 2/5. So what we'll do? 3 plus 2, 5, dear students. Now 3 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are. So when we multiply it by 3, we get 39,000. So what is the share of X? 39,000. Okay. We'll write it here itself. And the share 65,000 which should be taken by Y is 2 by 5. Again 5 ones are 5, 13,000 are. If we multiply it by 2, we get 26,000. So this is how it is done, dear students. And this calculations you can show it in the bracket itself. Like how you will write 65,000 into 2 by 5. Likewise 65,000 into 3 by 5. So it will give a clear picture actually how these figure of 39 and 26,000 have arrived. So this is how the statement of profit and loss have to be prepared in case the single entry system is maintained by partnership accounts. So this was your illustration number 11, dear students. By this we come to the end of the chapter. Please see to it that during the weekend you finish till question number 24 and post it in Google Classroom. I'll place an assignment column over there. Once you are done with your notes, please see to it that you post it over there. Have a good day, students.